Mise en place is a backbone of a restaurant kitchen. It's actually the full preparation, the organization before the service. In a fine dining restaurant, I will say is everything. There is no service without a proper mise en place. In the kitchen, mise en place is our standard, and not because someone is watching, but because we care. Our job, of course, is to check every step of the mise en place. If every step is correct, the organization is correct, service is the most easy part. Fine dining doesn't allow excuses. Mise en place is respect. Respect for the ingredient, respect for the craft, respect for each other. This is how we lead. This is how we grow. This is how we build our reputation every day. I don't ask for perfection, I ask for commitment. Commitment to preparation, to consistency, and to each other.
Pick up table 15, please.
Before the fire, before the rush, before the applause, there is discipline, patience and repetition. The unseen work is what turns food into emotion. In fine dining, mise en place is not just preparation, it's a promise. A promise we make to the guests before they even sit down. A promise that every plate will arrive with care, precision and soul. This is a fine dining, not chaos, not ego, not noise, but preparation, harmony and pride.